am sure you can see the joy that is encapsulated on my face right now. Today's the start of a project that I'm looking forward to the end results of, but definitely not looking forward to the process. A little something for Silvia. Got Z32 brake swap. So I could throw some 5-lug wheels on, and I totally did not think about brake rotors and all that. And in my process of trying to find rotors, I figured that my best option was just to do a brake swap right now. So we're gonna clean these up, get them all paint prepped, painted, rebuild the e-brake assemblies, and then once the rest of the parts come in, still waiting on a few things, we'll tear the car apart and do a 5-lug swap and a brake swap. We're just gonna paint them black. And these, I'm gonna take apart the assemblies. This is gonna suck. We have to, guy.
Oh. Were you recording me recording?
I might have been. I'm gonna pick back up from where I was with the calipers. I got those all painted and prepped up. I'll have to show these to you guys. We're gonna go ahead and do the 5-lug swap so we can get these beautiful guys. But we're just doing the swap, 5-lug swap, and the brake swap on the front end of the car, so I can at least run my new wheels on the front. Hopefully it'll go quick and easy. Guess we'll move some cars around, huh? Yeah. What kind of
5, right? Assuming 5.
Mother of God, the lips don't even fit.
That's the camber boy.
Oh.
And we've run into our favorite issue already. We don't have the right socket for the size axle nut, so have a little field trip.
Howdy.
We like to make things work.
No, we just like to make things complicated.
Well,
That in the end works.
I'm gonna scoot back.
Okay, that's good. That wasn't a bump stop, that was my ankle.
I know. I felt the squishy, fleshy bounce. Anyways, we'll get back to you when we're back. So we just got back. Axle nuts came off quick and in a hurry. So now I'm gonna throw everything on, just do a dry fitting. Oh, no, it doesn't clearly touch you. It's rubbing the back of it. While I was reading, dudes are saying they cut this down and then they bend them back.
Having a little trouble there?
A lot of trouble. Just thread.
What is that?
It's a cough drop wrapper.
Alright. I'll hold everything because it's all going to fall apart. Yep. Alright, you touching yet?
Fire! Magazine 2! Loading!
Meanwhile, Tucker's breaking his car.
I'm not breaking it.
Oh, it's broken. Huh?
I guess it's the short ones we're using.
What? The only ones they fit?
Oh, rip.
Alright. Trying to reverse what we've just done. Contacting?
Not yet.
So after countless pressing,
Yeah.
we ran into a more pressing matter. Alright, so we're gonna torque these down.
Yeah.
Yep. And once we get them torqued down, put the cotter pin in, cotter pin it, take off these brake calipers and brake lines. Then it comes in the new brake calipers for the Z32 upgrade.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. What are you doing?
I'm just
fucking cotter pin
zooming
porn.
in on the cotter pin.
I That's the way we like them, all blown out.
Now remember, folks, always get new cotter pins when you swap your spindle.
What are you doing with that?
What do you mean? I'm compressing my piston.
With a FedEx box?
With a FedEx box.
So I don't scratch up my shitty paint job, okay?
You drop in the old brake fluid?
I'm cheap and I'm cheap and I didn't get them powder coated because eventually I'm gonna get a real brake swap. And I didn't want to put money into this brake swap because I'm only doing this because I didn't think about what I needed to do a 5-lug swap because I just do things, man. This is a very impromptu build. This is very like flying by the seat of my fucking pants, man. This is fucking off-season rush, my friend.
A moment of truth.
Yep, so we got
Damn, these are good.
We got the Z32 calipers on, got the brake pads in, brake rotors are on. Now we're gonna throw the wheel on and make sure everything clears.
Those look good, dude. Those look fucking good, dude.
Oh! Oh!
Damn good.
I'm not lying when I said that the front is the easiest part.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking chill. I just can't get over how small these fucking calipers are in the back. It really puts it in perspective.
Yeah.
Interesting. So after 30 minutes, we finally got the brakes fully bled.
Fully.
Maybe. So now the fun part is about to happen. He's about to torque
Downshift the first.
the spacers on the rear, put the rear wheels on, and then we're gonna put the fronts on, torque them down, and then see what our fitment and stuff is looking like.
Install. The lug nuts don't fit.
Seriously?
No, they do.
What a fucking...
That is a fucking joke. Fight me, ho! Admin needs a grip spares. At least until that 5 will swap the back, and then I gotta go back to grip spares. Hello, today is brake swap 5-lug part 2. We're gonna be doing the rears.
3 weeks ago.
Yeah, it's been a minute. Basically, I've been waiting on some brake parts. We're gonna be swapping out the brake cables, putting the e-brake assemblies in. It's gonna be quite the task.
I will take this.
Forgot to hit.
This. Probably this whole CD. Hold this on.
Oh, there we go, boy. 2 flatheads. It's chopsticks on a Japanese car.
Alright, you ready?
Take 7. Yeah!
Oh.
Here's a bit of a progress check-in. We've got everything disconnected, hubs are off, dust shields are off, all that's torn apart. I'm currently underneath pulling out the old e-brake cables. Once I get the old ones pulled out, then I can get the new ones fully routed in. Here's everything fully disassembled. And this will mount up to the e-brake assembly. This actually hasn't been super terrible. Let's hope it keeps going that way. Got the bracket for the e-brake cables attached down here. It's the Street Faction bracket.
This guy. There's all the parts in the order that I pulled it off. There's new parts.
Yep. I'm gonna hold.
I hear it over here. Boop, boop. On the plus side, this is fully rebuilt. I just gotta do it again.
I'm gonna be taking Tucker's car to work on Monday. Yep. I'm looking for axles for a 1993 240SX Nissan.
I thought it was a Silvia.
Okay, how soon would it be here then if you were to order them? Monday or Tuesday? Okay, cool. That's all I need to know then. Thank you.
It's the point. You're supposed to capture the. You're supposed to capture the moments of the sheer panic and regret.
Pain. Thinking back to we should have just been a little gentler. Currently putting the e-brake assembly on and attaching the hubs. We'll jump back into this after we've progressed a little more.
Look at that. You're 5-lugging.
5-lugging.
5-lugging, bro.
When you spend 6 hours in a garage and all you do is break 2 axles.
Cool.
So we didn't even adjust the camber in the back, so that's gonna be booty anyway. So you know what?
You might not even need to camber it.
Might not.
It looks way better.
Think, Josh. You're gonna look back on this day and think, wow, I really don't want to 5-lug swap anything